hundreds. A whole island.
I wouldn't worry about it. My men are hunting them down as we speak. They won't know where you're hiding, I promise you that.
Oh yes, they will. They know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
He's not a problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No, sorry.
And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through here on his Night Fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters.
Dragon classifications. Strike class, fear class, Mr. Gronkle, Zippleback, the Skrill, Bone Napper, Whispering Death. Runs its victims, parries its victims, chokes its victims, turns its victims inside out. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Night Fury. Speed unknown, size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.